Let's see what people say about Christmas in Spanish and on Twitter. Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today we are going to see a few tweets and they're gonna be about Christmas and they're all going to be in Spanish. Let's see what people think about Christmas or La Navidad. La Navidad. You will learn some vocabulary and you will see how people tweet in Spanish. It's actually a really good way to practice Spanish. But before, don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. Okay, let's get it started. So I tried to find some tweets that are actually kind of funny, kind of different. We won't see the average Merry Christmas kind of tweet. We will read tweets that are about people and how they feel about Christmas. So they might be positive or they might be a little dramatic. Okay, so the first one is, no sé si viene Navidad o el fin del mundo. No sé si viene Navidad o el fin del mundo. Wow, well, do you know what this tweet means? This means, I don't know if Christmas is coming or the end of the world. Well, this, as you can see, is something a little bit dramatic. I'm not sure how this person celebrates Christmas, or maybe this person thinks that Christmas is a little crazy because, a lot of shopping going on, a lot of people in the stores. Maybe it could be traffic, it could be chaos, right? So who knows? Maybe it's just too chaotic for this person. So yeah, no sé si viene Navidad o el fin del mundo. I don't know how you celebrate Christmas or if you even celebrate Christmas. You could be celebrating something else. But in my case, I usually try to not go to any store. If I buy something, I buy it online. But yeah, this tweet is kind of intense and interesting. Okay, let's see the next one. Un buen español envuelve los regalos de Navidad justo en este momento. Un buen español envuelve los regalos de Navidad justo en este momento. In Spain, people celebrate Christmas on December 25th. And it's the same as in the US and Canada. This tweet means un buen español, a good Spaniard, envuelve los regalos de Navidad, wraps Christmas presents or the Christmas presents justo en este momento, just at this moment, just now. Essentially, this person is saying that a real Spaniard wraps their Christmas presents at the last moment or just at this moment, because obviously this person is referring to Christmas, that it's almost Christmas. So yeah, that's quite interesting. I didn't know that Spaniards or the majority of Spaniards do that. Maybe it happens everywhere. I don't think it only happens to Spaniards or any other country. I think it happens all around the world. Everybody's buying at the last moment whatever they need. Maybe because they forget, or maybe because they just want to take advantage of the deals. They want to get the best deal. And that usually happens right before Christmas or right after Christmas. And yeah, that's the usual thing. Okay, let's see another tweet. En Navidad comeré paella mixta con vino español y panetón peruano. Wow, una Navidad diferente en México DF. This tweet is a little longer, but essentially it means on Christmas, en Navidad, Comeré paella mixta. I will eat paella mixta or mixed paella con vino español with Spanish wine y panetón peruano and Peruvian panetón, or it's some sort of I think panetone is some sort of big muffin, like a huge muffin. I remember seeing pictures of it. I can put one picture here on the screen so you can see it or hear. So yeah, that's a very I don't know where panettone is from. I've seen some Latin American people that enjoy panettone like every Christmas or so. But yeah, so panetón peruano, Peruvian panetón. And then, wow, una Navidad diferente en México DF. Wow. Wow means wow. Really? A different Christmas in Mexico City. Mexico DF means Mexico City. Una Navidad diferente. A different Christmas or something out of the ordinary. So yeah, this person is going to enjoy a lot of international dishes and especially food and wine, and he's living or she's living in Mexico City, so that's great. I mean, it's nice that people try new things and different things from other countries, like food. It could be, I don't know, you can listen to music from different countries. You can enjoy wine from Chile or from Argentina or from Spain, you name it, right? Okay, well, that sounds like a very lovely Christmas. Okay, let's see the next one. Les informo que si usted está viendo una película navideña sin estar doblada al español, usted no está celebrando la Navidad como es debido. Another long tweet. Okay. Yeah. Do you know what this means? This person is talking about movies. Just one movie. Let's translate this tweet. Le informo. I inform you. Le informo. I inform you que si usted está viendo una película navideña, that if you're watching Christmas movie sin estar doblada, that is not dubbed al español, in Spanish, usted no está celebrando la Navidad como es debido. You're not celebrating Christmas as you should. And I don't know how to think about this. I have mixed feelings about this because, yeah, it makes sense that it's nice to watch a Christmas movie in your language. But I gotta say that most of the movies that I like are in English, like Home Alone. It would be weird to watch that movie dubbed. I rather watch movies that are not dubbed because I know that you're missing the emotion, you're missing something. A lot of people who dub movies, they don't make you feel the acting, the passion, all the drama, you know. It's not the same. But anyways, this person likes to watch movies that are dubbed. I mean, everybody's different. I would rather listen to the original language, but I mean, it's about preferences. Okay, let's read one more tweet. Ya casi es Navidad y no he visto mi pobre angelito. Siento que le estoy fallando a la humanidad. Hashtag Navidad 2019. We were actually talking about this movie. This person is saying it's almost Christmas. Ya casi es Navidad y no he visto, and I haven't watched Mi pobre angelito. Home Alone. Home Alone in Spanish is mi pobre angelito. It's like saying my poor little angel. It's kind of funny. I kind of like this title more than Home Alone. Mi pobre angelito. Siento que le estoy fallando a la humanidad. I feel that I'm failing humanity. Hashtag Navidad 2019. Hashtag Christmas 2019. Yeah, so I think people should watch Home Alone on Christmas. It's a classic, and I actually watched Home Alone last month, so it's a classic. Who doesn't like it? And yeah, this person is saying or feeling like she's a failure because she hasn't watched Home Alone on Christmas or during the Christmas season. So yeah, this was the last tweet, and I think it was fun. I think we read some fun and funny tweets. Let me know what you think about them, and if you have any question about what we just saw. Also, I would like to say Merry Christmas to all of you and Happy Holidays, whatever you're celebrating, and just be happy. Thank you so much for being part of this channel. Thank you for your support. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for sharing this video. Thanks to the people who donated to this channel. And I'm glad that you enjoy learning Spanish with me. Thank you so much once again. I wish you the best of the best. Happy holidays. Thank you so much again for watching, for all your support. Remember that you can go to smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. I actually have an article about Christmas and about some phrases, some common phrases that you can say in Spanish about Christmas. So I'm leaving the link to that in the video description down below. Also, if you like what I do, please consider donating to this channel. Remember that another way to support the channel is by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!